Now it's time to learn very basic idea of how light works with subject and how to use it in making our composition much more real and effective. Let's say this is our subject and this side is a light source. What if light falls on the subject? It would be read as a highlight, bright, medium, dark, casted shadow that will be on ground. Now something more will be there. If you assume light falling down, it would fall down on the ground too. And each subject, whether it is a rough, it is a shiny subject, each subject has its way of reflecting back some of light that they get. So according to that rule, something called ambient light will be seen somewhere down here in this area and also in above from the sideways. That will be casted from ground itself as a result of reflection. Basic funda is, if you follow this rule while painting or creating any composition or your work will be out in the front as it will be having more reality feel attached to it. Let's apply this fundamental in our last composition that I created in the last lesson. I am using the same brush tool with soft round brush and create shadows with black or grey color and always use it in a very low opacity. So you can see how it's developing into a more naturally placed real life composition.